Pressure has a way of sneaking in quietly, not always from what's happening, but from what you believe you're responsible for holding together. Over time, that weight can feel constant. Welcome to the quote for today. I'm glad you're here. Today's quote offers a grounding reminder, especially when everything feels like it depends on you. Pressure dissolves when you remember what actually depends on you. This quote reminds us that much of our stress comes from blurred responsibility. We take on outcomes, reactions, timing, and decisions that were never fully ours to manage. The mind stays tense, trying to control what sits far beyond our reach. When you pause and separate what you can influence from what you can't, something shifts. Your role becomes clearer. Your effort becomes more focused. You stop carrying imagined responsibility and return to what's real and actionable. Remembering what depends on you doesn't shrink your care, it sharpens it. You show up more fully where your presence matters, and you release what was draining you without improving anything. That's where pressure begins to loosen and steadiness returns. Here's one simple way to work with this today. When you feel pressure rise, pause and ask yourself, what part of this is truly mine to handle right now? Let that answer guide your next step. Carry that clarity with you as the day unfolds. You don't need to hold everything to do what matters. Often, peace returns when responsibility is placed where it belongs. And here are two related thoughts to sit with. Clarity follows discernment, and peace grows when effort is well placed. Until we meet again tomorrow, let's make it a great day.